Hello everyone, today we are going to see how we will connect Kafka from our Visual Studio Code. There are so many other GUI tools available for connecting Kafka to our and working with them. But today we are going to see how we will work with Visual Studio Code. So if I am going here, I have a lot of extensions that I already installed. So if I am going here extensions, that's a marketplace. So here if I am searching something like Kafka, there is a Kafka extension. So right now I already installed my Kafka. After installation, you should go to here, settings, and you need to type Kafka. So before you are moving forward, you need to start your Kafka. Then only we can test. So right now I am in Kafka folder. So if you are going here, I have a tools directory where I extract my Kafka. So I am going inside that Kafka, and we can see there is a bin folder, libs folder, config, and logs. We are interested only in bin and config. So right now I have everything. I'm just running zookeeper server start.sh. So before I am running Kafka, I need to start zookeeper. Zookeeper is a master server that's controlling all of these things. So I am just running that. Let's see what is going to happen. So my zookeeper starts another window. I need to start my Kafka. So I'm going to Kafka directory here. I can see what I have. There are a couple of folders and files. So right now I'm going to run our Kafka server. So I'm just running that. Right now Kafka started. So I need to create a topic. Then only I can show you uh, how we will view that in our Visual Studio Code. So I'm going with another window. So basically, I need to take another window. So CD tools, CD Kafka. Okay, then inside that, I'm running that command. So I'm going a topic test at starter. Oh, let's create a topic. Yeah, I already created that topic. We can now see the topic if we can list topic commands. Send some message. So that's another thing. So I'm going to use test topic to send some message. Then only I can view that in our Visual Studio Code. So test, I can type anything. So right now we are going our Visual Studio Code and going right now in my setting here. I'm just removing all this thing. I'm trying to just running this one. So 9092, it will try to connect. Okay, so I can see process topics, consumer groups, everything will be there. So I have test here start consumer. So I can consume this one. So whenever a message is sending from here, it will it will show there. So you can see that here. So I'm moving everything into yeah. So we can see the key is null, partition 0, offset 2, offset 3, value, and in value field we have this information. So it's very simple. So we'll get a live update. That's the main advantage for this one comparing to any other GUI tool. Some GUI tool we need to refresh to get the new new messages. So that's all for Visual Studio Kafka extension. So and how we will connect to the Kafka using that extension. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.